Kasi is that, bakit nga ba my Milo story? Bakit stories to begin with? Alam natin ang stories, they can be very powerful. Tingnan natin sa unang panahon pa, from mga kwentong mga diwata, pathala, pathaluma, mga myths natin. We also have mga cave wall drawings. Stories na yan, noon pa. Ngayon, novels na sila, podcasts. And these stories can actually move people. Nations have been moved by stories. We've also seen stories create connection, stories that can create understanding, and stories that can actually inspire people. So what we wanted to do was, with these powerful stories, we can create movements, inspire others, and energize millions. So, nung na-realize namin, si Milo, 60 years na siya, more than 60 years in the Philippines, and we have been one of the biggest partners of the Philippine Sports Commission, the Philippine Olympic Committee, and in expanding access, especially in grassroots sports. So there are already millions of stories that are touched by Milo. So some examples: Bea Lucero, Japoy Lizardo, Heidi de Diaz. These are just stories, a few of the stories that can inspire the champion journeys of others. So with that, we wanted to start a new, create a new campaign that will inspire a new generation of Filipino champions, which is hashtag #MyMiloStory. So for us naman, it's not just about the stories of Olympians or athletes that can get gold medals. So there are many different Milo stories. So we are looking at stories of people who will try sports for the first time. People who will make new friends in a sports program or find shared experiences through their sports programs. And it's also in the ways that they bond. They will have breakfast with their family. Yung weekends nila that they spend drinking Milo Dinosaur, or pinrepare ng mom nila a special way ang Milo for them. All of these are Milo stories because they touch lives in one way or another. So we wanted to use this, leverage that, so that we can create a new generation of champions. So, ayun po, ang stories din kasi, if you look at this, it's a wide scope. So from everything I've shared, ako personal Milo story ko is more work-related. So it's less about kung paano ko kino-consume ang Milo, but also my experience. Kasi 15 years ago, my first experience in corporate life wasn't Milo. I was an intern. And actually, yung mga naging boss ko noon, as a college intern, andun pa rin sila. Andun pa rin sila ngayon. Ngayon, we did very well sa aming thesis. Tapos, we actually graduated very well with that. Ngayon, I was offered somewhere else. So I had a decade, more than a decade in other companies and living in other countries. But then, what's great is a couple of years back, Milo reached out. And then, basically, I felt like I was coming home to the brand I started with. So, and it's very parang heartwarming for me to know that this brand, who has been the kick-off, kumbaga, of my career, I'm back here and building it and helping others be a part of creating more Milo stories. So, ayun po, there are many, many Milo stories. And I really hope that we can hear yours also. Because when we go to all of our events recently, a lot of people really share their Milo stories. Basically, they will volunteer, they will say either to kung ganito ko siya i-enjoy, ganito ko siya unang na-try, eto yung mga kasama ko na umiinom siya, eto yung mga naging kaibigan ko sa Milo program, marami po talaga. So I hope that these stories can we can help each other inspire the new generation natin, Filipinos. So yun po, maraming salamat.